This slow cooker pale ale corn dip is lip-smacking amazing. What makes this so unbelievably good? First, a sublime creaminess achieved from the tasty combination of Monterey Jack cheese, cream cheese, and sour cream. Second, the pale ale. Beer and cheese go exceptionally well together. Our slow cooker pale ale corn dip features frozen corn kernels to make your party prep easier. But when sweet corn is in season, you can certainly opt for fresh off the cob corn kernels from your local farmer's market. Finally, a deliciously dizzying garnish of crumbled smoky bacon and sliced green onions. It's not hard to understand why you and your guests will vie to plunge the first chip into this unparalleled party dip. Serve with an assortment of fresh out-of-the-bag tortilla chips and watch your dip and chips disappear.